my hair first.
Goddamn. Good morning, guys. It's beach day / sunset. I am prepared to go. I'm gonna show you the fit. So basically I have this tee. I'm gonna wear it there and then take it off at the beach and then put it back on when I'm leaving. And then I'm wearing this tank and then beige shorts, and I have a bathing suit under. Look, I'm wearing a cute little starfish necklace that I got from Hawaii. Yeah, and then my hair is in braids. This is my bag. Everything's like pink. Some games, snack, some important stuff. Water gun, my digital camera, and then an extra bag, my water bottle, and yeah, like a cute little clip. I went to Abby's and we went to get ice for the freaking cooler and walked all the way there, and now these two hoes are here.
So what this like on a party bill? Bro.
Hey! Guys, we made it to the Palm Beach. So here are the vibes.
Oh.
We like tried to set up in an area where it's like pretty empty. Damn, bruh. It's pretty packed today. We're here.
Next to the freaking garbage.
Hey guys, we set up. We're set up now. They went in the water right there. Yeah, it's Lay's sons. I don't know where my boyfriend is. And I don't see anyone else from our school. But there's a lot of people here.
A holy face card. Hey guys.
Ah,
We're at the beach.
I'm melting the chocolate.
I can't zoom in. Wait, what's this?
The chocolate.
Oh, show it.
So that we can melt it.
Anyways, Jenna's with her boyfriend.
That's why you say that, like you're not gonna be with your boyfriend in like soon.
2 years, y'all. Can we play a game? And
I'm like genuinely blind. Oh, Clover.
shut the yin yang.
Oh no. Okay. Hey, zebra.
I hate this game.
Please stop Jack now.
Guys, I'm collecting the deck. Machi, I will believe.
You still have more than me. You still have more than me. Oh, the feet.
I hate this thing.
Should we get the straps out after?
Yeah. Okay, Getty.
Oh, this looks so good, guys.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheers.
Cheers. What? Let's try not to get it on the
Yeah,
carpet.
don't get it on the carpet.
That was fire, guys.
Hey guys, Abby's over there, but hey, say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Kiss the camera. I'm gonna spray you. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh, you're too tall.
Ouch.
I know.
Yo.
Oh, that's your house. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh.
Guys, the water is emerge.
I got sprayed by the freaking wall that they're playing with.
Huh?
And just take our chance.
Hey guys, a little update.
We're fully stripped.
Well, not me. I have my pants on. Meeks has this little thingy thing. Yeah. So it's
But other
okay.
than that, she's fully stripped.
Yeah. And Chelsea wants to go get Matthew.
No idea where she is.
Yeah, I don't know.
They might be.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're gonna get food. We're gonna order pizza somehow. Hey, like everyone came later.
You guys did come here. They're here.
Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be a beach day. If people don't want to stay for the beach day, then that's okay.
Put the camera down.
Yo, don't film me, bro. No pictures.
Look, you guys all swam?
Yeah, we did.
Guys, we took a little swim. Am I right?
Okay, let's go get our pizza again.
We're gonna go get our pizza.
Go get our pizza. Yeah, it's gonna be in my house. You took a video of my hair, friend?
Oh, goddamn. Huh? Your hair?
Is my hair fine?
Your hair is cute. God damn. Oh, scared. Okay, y'all, we got the pizza. This is Matthew's Diet Pepsi. We got the breadsticks. Guys, look, the sun's setting. We're just gonna start doing photos. The fit, the full fit, the full fit. The sun is not really that pretty. It's probably because of the air, yeah, the air quality. It's okay.
I look, you got aura. You see that?
Okay guys, everyone's leaving. We did some photos. The sun is completely set.
I swear you gave it to me by the market.
That's it, man.
Hey guys. Okay, we're going home now. The rest of them are over there. They're gonna take the bus and we are taking a car. It's been a fun time, yo. So it's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a short one, but see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, it's the day before senior sunrise. Senior sunset, and this is like what everyone's doing right now. We literally.
Hey, help me if you're not doing anything.
I'm just doing the vlog. It's a quick vlog. So this is what the sign looks like. It's very Hawaii. And then this is the picture frame, and then Lisa's cutting this out. Like we did this all in one day, yeah.
And
So fire, so fire.
That's the rabbit that has been stuck in there for hours.
Yeah,
So yeah.
Wants to come out.
When's the prom video coming out?
Ooh, that's not even out
Should
yet.
I highlight these letters too?